Hey y'all, welcome to Friday's Kitchen. Welcome back if you have been here before. In today's video, we are making pink Christmas tree Rice Krispie treats. If you guys are interested in seeing how I made them, stay tuned. Also, while you're here, I ask that you please take a moment, look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, and come back for some more recipes. So here we have some pre-packaged Rice Krispie treats. I'm going to start by opening all of these. Now that I have opened all of the Rice Krispie treats, I'm going to go through and cut them in a Christmas tree shape like this. For now, I'm going to place this in a Ziploc bag. I will not be discarding. We'll shape these into maybe balls and coat these with chocolate as well. So up next, we have these gold sticks. I'm going to open these and place one in each of the Rice Krispie treats. Not sure if I mentioned yet, but I have some pink candy melts on the stove melting. I'm not going to show that. If you guys purchase chocolate or candy melts, then you can just melt according to the instructions on the package. Oftentimes it's done in a microwave. I personally prefer the double boiler method, but either is fine. So while the candy melts continue to melt, I want to show you guys what I'll be using to decorate them. I purchased this from Walmart some time ago, and it's just different variations of like pink, gold, white sprinkles. And I will use these to decorate once we have dipped them in the candy melts. I've lined my cutting board with parchment paper. Here we have the candy melts, and I'm just going to dip each one of my Rice Krispie treats in and place on top. I'm going to stop after doing a few to cover with the sprinkles before it has a chance to solidify. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling. We're going to shake to get the excess off. And then we're going to place on the parchment paper. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun's gonna go on top with some of these sprinkles. With the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. So I'm just gonna continue until I have covered all of the Rice Krispie treats with the melted candy melts. And again, I'll stop after every few just to add some of the sprinkles on top. So the rest, just so that there's some variation, I'm not going to dip in the chocolate. I'm going to place in a piping bag and just kind of drizzle on top. And then I'll sprinkle with the sprinkles, and the sprinkles can stick to the drizzled chocolate. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, dance, all night long, we're gonna dance. For these, I am going to remove the sticks, dip in the chocolate, and then put back in here so the sticks will adhere. I didn't have to do it to those because I dipped the whole thing in chocolate, so some of the chocolate got around the stick. It will always be Christmas here I have a piping bag. I'm just going to add some of the chocolate in here. Cut a very small opening at the tip and then drizzle on top. So I'm going to do the same. Add some sprinkles. Alright, so I'm going to let these sit here and completely solidify, and then I'm going to go back to the extra pieces that I have, and I'll probably just make balls out of these, dip them in the chocolate, and then add sprinkles as well. So I'll see you guys once these have had a chance to harden. Okay, so our Christmas trees are done. Now we're going to work with our scrap pieces. I think I'm going to take maybe 4 pieces total. Yeah, and just roll it into a ball. We're gonna put sticks in these and dip these in chocolate. We can just call these little Christmas ornaments. I just didn't want to waste these pieces. Gonna dip it in, roll it around. Oops, shake off the excess. So I'm just gonna pick these up, rotate them around and sprinkle. All right, so we're gonna let these solidify and then I'll be back to show you everything together. Here is a close-up of the Rice Krispie treats now that we're done. If you would like to see how I package them, be sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. If you guys have any questions about anything I've done, leave them down below in the comment section. I will reply. While you're here, I ask that you also please take a moment, look down below, hit that subscribe button, join our family, come back for some more recipes. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up before you leave. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. As always, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. To finish up, I'm just going to add a couple inside each of these treat bags. And then I'm just going to use this ribbon to tie at the bottom. But first, let me get them all inside bags.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow.
So now I'm going to go through and tie a ribbon around each of the bags.